The Breville Barista Express espresso machine BES870XL in brushed stainless steel offers a complete at-home espresso experience. Designed by Breville, this all-in-one machine features an integrated grinder and delivers specialty coffee using a precise 4-key formula and it provides quick bean-to-espresso preparation in under a minute, making it ideal for enthusiasts seeking quality and convenience. Equipped with a conical burr grinder, the machine allows dose control grinding directly into the portafilter, accommodating any bean roast. Digital temperature control ensures optimal extraction with consistent water temperature, while low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure for balanced flavor. The steam wand enables manual microfoam milk texturing for enhanced taste and latte art. Additional features include adjustable grind size, a 1.2-pound bean hopper, a 67-ounce water tank, and accessories like a stainless steel portafilter, tamper, and milk jug. It operates at 1600 watts with a 1-year limited warranty. This espresso machine benefits home baristas who desire professional level control and quality in their coffee. Its precise settings and integrated tools simplify the brewing process while allowing customization. The Barista Express is an excellent choice for those committed to crafting exceptional espresso and milk-based drinks at home.